Welcome back in the second tutorial of NASA application. If you are new and you want to know about the installation and registration, please check the first video. After one-time registration, next time you will type your registered number and you will click at next, and then you will type your password and sign in. After signing in, you will see this screen. All of your children will appear here. And if you want to add another child, in this bar, you will type the PID number of your child. Every student have their own PID number assigned by school. So you will put that PID number, and right next to this bar, you can see the save button. You will click at this save button and then you will refresh the page. After refreshing the page, the data of your next child will appear here. Now you can see every student have a menu with their name like daily diary, complaint, Jaiza for parents and fee status. First we will go to daily diary. Here we have three more options: diary, syllabus, timetable. So first we will click at diary. Now you can see it's asking me to select subject. I will select subject and then I will select any date for which I am going to check the diary. And then when you will click at this yellow load button, the data has been loaded successfully. Similarly, you will check the homework, test and assignment. And if you want to check more details about classwork, homework, test or assignment, at the bottom of this page there is a detail column. You can check that detail from this column. Now we will go to syllabus. In subject title we have this folder. When you will click at this folder, the syllabus of all subjects will open. You can check that syllabus from this option. The third option is timetable. For timetable, first you will select the required month. After selecting the required month, you can see the whole month timetable has been appeared. Now if you want to check timetable of any specific day, then you will click at this arrow and the timetable will open. Here we have another option of subject material. By this option, you can check any subject material. If the teacher of your child has uploaded any subject material related to the topic, you can check that from this option. Now we will go back to home for the next option. And the next option is complaint. From this option, you can file your complaints. If you have any issue regarding academic studies, you can file your complaint. If you want to give us suggestion, you can type your suggestion here. First, you will click at new and this box will open. In this box, you will type your complaint or suggestion and you will click at save and your complaint will be uploaded successfully. Here we have inbox. In this inbox, you can check your previous complaint status. How many complaints have you done before and how many complaints have been responded. All you can check it from this inbox. First, you will click at complaint and after opening the complaint, you will check the status. You will check the response of your complaint. If you are satisfied, then at the bottom of the page, there are two options: satisfied and unsatisfied. If you will click satisfied and you will send that message, your complaint will be closed. As you can check in this video, this complaint has already been closed. And if you are not satisfied and you will select unsatisfied, you will type your complaint again and you will send. The management will review your complaint and they will respond you back. For the next options, please check our third video.